Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Now, we've been leading up to Christmas with what we call Notes to the North Pole. And it's great to hear what all the four-state kiddos may have on that wish list just in time for Christmas. And so what we were able to do, thanks in part to our friends at the Christmas shop, is actually bring in a special guest. That's right, we were able to convince him to get out of the workshop and join us on the KOAM Morning News direct from the North Pole for the second straight day. Santa, Mr. Claus, I want to thank you for your time this morning.
You're welcome, Michael. I'm glad I could come back.
Now, I know you've got a list from a couple of kiddos, but before we get there, I've actually got questions. They've got wish lists. I do my part as a journalist. I ask questions. Do you have time for that?
Yes, I do. Go right ahead.
Well, I got a question from Matthew in Pittsburgh. And I never thought about this. Thank goodness Matthew's really a forethinker. You know, not every house has a chimney, like Santa Claus. I don't have a fireplace in my house. Question is, how do you get into houses without chimneys?
I can't give away all my secrets. Let's just say that it's Christmas magic that I use when I get to the houses that don't have a fireplace.
I completely understand trade secrets being kept close to the vest. I got a question for you, Santa, as far as the reindeer go. Kiddos love the reindeer, right? Well, Hayden, she asks, how fast do reindeer fly?
My reindeer are a little special. I think most reindeer can fly, about 50 miles an hour. Yeah, but we have a special food that we feed the reindeer that pull the sleigh, and they can fly about 650 miles per second.
Wait, did you just say 650 miles, not per hour, you said per second?
Per second. That's about 3,000 times the speed of sound.
Hey, I know you got to get back to the workshop, but once again, I'm gonna beg you for just a little time. Do we have time to run through some Christmas lists?
Sure.
Well, I tell you what, Hayden just asked that last question about the reindeer, so I'll give Hayden the floor here. I think she's in Pittsburgh. Did she let you know what's on her wish list?
Yes, he did. Yes, he did. It was kind of a short list, but anyway, Hayden is wanting a iPhone 12, iPad, and a dirt bike.
I like the fact that Hayden went high-tech, but then also said, I can go old school. Hey, I got another one for you, Santa. We got Matthew in Pittsburgh. He actually started off our question segment, and I understand you have his list as well.
I sure do. I sure do. This year, Matthew is wanting an Xbox, a Stickbot 3, a remote control helicopter.
A remote control helicopter?
Yeah, those are so fun.
That's pretty cool. Hey, can we run out to Carl Junction really fast?
Sure.
I understand Dempsey sent you a letter as well.
Yes, he did. He sent me a letter with his wish list, and he's wanting Mario Legos and games.
Hey, games are hard to beat, my friend Dempsey. I know you got to get back to the workshop. Once again, will you please tell Mrs. Claus a hello from all of us down here south, and also too, thank you so much for your time this morning. Any chance that we can continue this on as we head toward Christmas?
Sure, I've got plenty of time tomorrow if you want to give me a holler.
We will see you next time we do Notes from the North Pole, and we will have more KOAM Morning News for you right after this.